What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of MW Tech, which we're back. I am excited, so much hyped to do this video with you guys, and absolutely amazing to be back with you. And I mean, it's been a while, so because sometimes YouTube unsubscribe you if you don't watch content, so make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Check if you have subscribed, so that would be amazing. If you have subscribed to my channel, wonderful, it will be absolutely wonderful. So yes, like, it's been such a long time. I cannot even express my feelings because it's amazing, right? It is absolutely amazing because I think I have it's like, what's running through my veins right now?
Cheese whiz?
No, it's not cheese whiz. By the way, I am so much excited, and yes, we're going to do a unboxing and a review, first impressions of a new keyboard. So after a long time, we're back with a game, and yes, and this is my old keyboard. This is an HP keyboard. I have used this for a couple of years, maybe like 4 or 5, maybe 2 or 3 years. So it's been a long time. So yeah, it's perfect. It works perfect. I made a lot of videos from these keyboards. I played a lot of games from this, and it's unfortunately a sad story. It's story time. Alright, so this happened. So unfortunately, someone has spilled water on this. Not me. Right? I was like, So it is not working. I unscrewed everything, and I just I dismounted this and go. It has been fried a little bit, but it's not working right now. So unfortunately, this thing has been fried underneath, and yeah, it's time. It's done. So we have a new keyboard after a long time, like a long time. I have never used a mechanical gaming, like, robust keyboard. I am absolutely excited. I'm being honest. I am so excited to this. I haven't checked this, but this is the keyboard. So you can see the brand. This is the brand I will put here. So yeah, it's absolutely amazing. It is the SMK 2C Falconet keyboard, which is really hard to spell. So it's a low profile keyboard, which is amazing. So it is compatible with from Windows XP to Windows 11, which is absolutely amazing. So if you need a keyboard, this price is 5,500 rupees Sri Lanka. So I cannot remember the dollars because we're in a trip to heaven in dollars. So let's unbox this. First thing first. Yeah, I mean, I haven't done unboxings in a long time, like a really long time. I haven't done, so it's really been exciting. I cannot remember how to do a YouTube video, for a fact. Like, I really cannot remember how to do a YouTube video. I was like thinking, should I do it? I was completely out of frame because studies and all the works. So first things first, we have the keyboard, which is which we'll check later, right? And we have this user manual. So I got warranty for 6 months, which is kind of okay, kind of not good. At the same time, it's fine. It's totally fine because I am not sure about. I mean, I'm sure it's not going to break or deal and damage in these 6 months. After that, right? So in this installation, they have the RGB lighting setup. Like, so the other things in the box are the cable, which is a micro USB A type cable to micro USB C. No, it is micro USB. So it's just normal micro USB. Yeah, that's one. So with the micro USB A cable, and we have two keys and a remover. So we have that in the box, and we have the keyboard, and we have the wire. So let's go to the keyboard, which is important. Okay, I haven't unboxed anything, so it's all right. This is absolutely amazing in my world. Holy shit, I love it, dude. This is so cool. Look at this. It's so slim. It's slim means like it's low profile. It's definitely low profile. Look at it. It's amazing. First, this is a 84 key keyboard. without the numpad. If you want the numpad, there is another model for the numpad, so it will be also a much higher price, I think. I'm not sure. I will put in the description so you can buy, you can purchase those keyboards, which is absolutely amazing. So this is the keyboard. This is the SMK2C keyboard, which is a kind of a gaming, but not. The middle of this, right? So absolutely amazing. The key travel is ridiculously amazing. Like the keys are not big, as I think, because I'm not used to these keyboards. It is compact. It is so compact. If you have a laptop, this is the perfect keyboard to go. It's really amazing. And let's, I need to show you guys the RGB lighting, which is also cool in this one. So that's the main selling point on this, the RGB lighting. Yeah. So let's see. I mean, this is heavy. This is a heavy dude. Let's remove the cable and see how this works. It's like 1.5 meter cable. You have to put the micro USB connector right here, and your micro USB A connector goes. So now I plug the keyboard. Now you can see the RGB lighting. Absolutely amazing, isn't it? I love the way it looks. It's really amazing, right? So I love this. Look at this. It's amazing, isn't it? Like with the lighting you can't see, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely amazing. The lighting patterns, perfect. I mean, really worth for the price. I mean, it's amazing. The build quality is superb in this. And I love the ergonomics of this keyboard, which is I love because it's not a huge junkyard on your desktop. It's really clean, complete setup with a good mouse, and everything will be perfect with this keyboard. So yes, and that's been it. Thanks for watching. I mean, it's been an honor sitting with you, unboxing this in front of you, which is absolutely ridiculously amazing. I was hoping for this moment, like I was counting fingers, literally. I'm so happy about myself, and I'm just right now in a good mood. I'm really happy that I could put up a video with this in a short period of time, like this, like a quick video. And absolutely amazing. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and if you enjoyed, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button. That would be amazingly amazing. That would be absolutely amazing. So whatsoever, thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one.